Here's how you do your NBA 2K25 face scan. Before you get started, you must download the NBA 2K companion app. That is the new app to start your face scan. It's really simple and pretty similar to all the previous games before. The only difference is it doesn't say NBA 2K25. Once you download the app, you're going to click on the face scan button at the top left. Of course, this is after you've signed into your platform, Xbox, PlayStation, or Steam. And from there, it's going to take you to some agreement stuff. Hit continue there. And now it's time to do your face scan, all right? Now, my suggestion is lighting. The better the lighting, the better. And if you can get the lighting to where it doesn't glare off of your skin, that's going to make your face scan look a lot better. Now, of course, this is me without a fresh haircut. I just wanted to see how well it picked up on the hairs on my face and stuff like that. I'm probably not going to redo my face scan because I don't think it matters. I mean, it'll be fine. But let's see what it turned out to look like. I think it did pretty well personally. Obviously, you've seen what it looked like in the beginning, but I think it turned out really well. And it's really easy to do face scan now, so nothing to worry about. And that is all. It's that easy. So that's it. I will be on Xbox, YouTube, Scoofy. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Giving away $100 at 7,000 subscribers. We're almost there. Scoofy here, and I'm out.